Agastaki plant, which is perennial here in zone 7, and Victoria blue salvia, an annual. They thrive in full sun, 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight. Plant them in fertile, slightly acidic to neutral and well-draining soil. My soil is half native and garden soil, which I bought. Also going to use alfalfa pellets, which is high in nitrogen, and triple 13 fertilizer. I broke one of the stem. I secured the long stems of Agastaki. Here's my design. I'm going to plant the Victoria blue salvias around the Agastaki. The Agastaki flowers smell good, like root beer or licorice mint. They say you can use the flowers of this plant as garnish in your salad. Both of these plants are very attractive to bees, hummingbirds, and butterflies. Kindly subscribe to my channel, like and share my videos. Have a nice day.